Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial engine component that might be silently damaging your car, the EGR valve. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prevent expensive EGR valve failures and keep your engine running smoothly. What's an EGR valve anyway? Think of your EGR valve as your engine's recycling system. It takes a portion of exhaust gases and sends them back into the combustion chamber. Why? It's not just about being eco-friendly. This process actually helps your engine run more efficiently and reduces harmful emissions. Pretty clever, right? Warning signs you can't ignore. Now, before we jump into prevention, let's talk about some red flags that scream EGR problems. If your car's idling rougher than a wooden roller coaster, or if you're noticing a significant drop in acceleration power, your EGR valve might be crying for help. Strange knocking sounds, random stalling, these are all classic symptoms of EGR valve issues, the silent killers. Let's get real about what's actually destroying your EGR valve. The biggest culprit? Carbon buildup. It's like cholesterol in your arteries. It builds up slowly, but the damage can be severe. Poor quality fuel and irregular maintenance are basically giving your EGR valve a one-way ticket to the scrapyard. Prevention is better than repair. Speaking of maintenance, here's what you absolutely need to know. And trust me, this could save you hundreds in repair bills. First, schedule professional inspections every 30,000 miles. Yes, it costs money, but it's way cheaper than replacing a failed EGR valve. Hey, if you're finding this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips that could save you thousands. And don't forget to check out yourmotorcare.com, where we've got a detailed article about everything we're covering today, plus extra tips we couldn't fit in this video. DIY maintenance tips. Now, let's talk about what you can do at home. You don't always need a mechanic for basic maintenance. Here's your action plan. First, regular highway drives. I'm not kidding. 15 to 20 minutes of highway driving can help clean your EGR system naturally. Think of it as taking your engine for a jog. Second, use quality fuel and oil. Yes, premium fuel costs more, but trust me, it's cheaper than replacing engine parts. Professional cleaning versus DIY. While DIY maintenance is great, sometimes you need professional help. Professional cleaning includes complete disassembly and thorough inspection, something you probably can't do in your garage. They'll use specialized equipment and cleaning solutions to get the job done right. Seasonal care tips. Your EGR valve needs different care in different seasons. In winter, make sure you're giving your engine proper warm-up time. During summer, keep an eye on your cooling system as it directly affects EGR performance. Money-saving pro tips. Here's a golden tip. Keep detailed service records. It might seem tedious, but it helps you track patterns and prevent problems before they start. And always address issues promptly. Small problems don't stay small for long. Essential toolkit. Quick note, if you're planning to do some maintenance yourself, you'll need some basic tools. A good socket set, wire brushes, and safety equipment are must-haves. We've included links to recommended tools in the description below. Watch out for these too. And speaking of warning signs, make sure to check out our video on 10 engine warnings that will destroy your car. You'll find it in the end screen. It's packed with crucial information every car owner needs to know. Remember folks, your EGR valve might not be the most exciting part of your car, but it's definitely one of the most important. Regular maintenance, quality fuel, and proper driving habits are your best defense against expensive repairs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more car maintenance tips. Drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with EGR valve issues. We'd love to hear your experience.